Hello guys, Asif here from Asif Reviews. So we are reviewing today Power Suite. So we have covered its demo video and this introduction video. In that video, we talked about what is this, what are the uses, and what will you get in the Power Suite. So in this video, we will cover the remaining information about Power Suite. So if you have not watched the video, you can check the link in description box. So let's start. Power Suite is a new 9-in-1 platform. Lets you kill off your monthly cost. Photoshop, ClickFunnels, Canva and Illustrator all gone. Means guys, if you are an online marketer and you know all about the ClickFunnels, Canva, Illustrator and all softwares, those you paid. So if you buy Power Suite, so you don't need to pay each product cost monthly. You just need to pay a one-time price with the Power Suite, and you save a lot of time, a lot of money for forever. So let's know more about what are the products they are providing. Traffic generation product in the 9 products, 9 apps: video thumbnail, digital marketing, web design, social media marketing, branding, advertising, affiliate marketing, and a lot. So includes all the tools you need to take care of these type of softwares. So it commercial license is included only when you act now. So get Power Suite for a one-time payment. So guys, if you want to purchase Power Suite, so you can check the link in description box, and you just need to select the commercial license option, because here you can see there are two options. One is Power Suite Personal and second is Power Suite Commercial. Personal plan is only on $37.01, and where commercial license is on only $39. So it's profitable if you buy commercial license. Plus I will also provide you some cool bonuses. Those are, the bonus number 1 is how to achieve more in less time, because guys, we all know that time is very crucial now. We all have only 24 hours, and as per our dreams we are not able to achieve everything or whatever we want in the minimum time. So this course will definitely help you to how to achieve more in less time. So the bonus number 2 is why people fail in affiliate marketing. In this course you will know why people fail. If you are one of them, so you must watch this course. And the bonus number 3 is how to increase your productivity. Guys, we all know that without productivity, without production, any industry, any company can't grow. So as this rule also applies in our life, we all are busy but we all are not productive. So you must be productive if you want to achieve your goal. And the bonus number 4 is how to manage your time wisely. We all have 24 hours, but we are not able to manage our time wisely. At the end of the day, the most important tasks are left, because we are unable to manage our time wisely or effectively. So this course will definitely help you to manage your time, and with that you will definitely achieve your goal, because if you are able to manage your time, you can manage your life, and you can manage your life, then definitely you will achieve your goal. So if you want to grab all these 4 bonuses, then purchase Power Suite from the link given in the description box, and share the payment proof on my Instagram. Here I will provide you these all bonuses, those I have promised to you. And you can also follow my channel. With that, you will also get affiliate marketing and also digital marketing and life changing codes and material. So don't forget to follow my channel. So let's back on review. So here it's for Photoshop. It's per month cost is $21. It's Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator. Its per month cost is $21. It's ClickFunnels, per month cost is $297. It's coupon tool, almost $97, and Canva $13 per month. So these all cost you per month $449, and they are offering you under $40, means $39 during this launch full access period. So guys, if you want to save your money for forever, for lifetime, then you must buy this. I recommend you. So let's know more about it. These are some testimonials. Let me tell you what is important for you at here. Here you will get a high converting landing pages, attention grabbing graphics, and click crazy ads and stunning logos, YouTube video thumbnails. Okay, so here now to get these essential resources created, you had mainly two options until today. Option 1, hiring an online marketing consultant. Option 2, doing it yourself using complicated tools. So, or you could use an all-in-one monster of a platform that does everything you will need for the next 10 years at a fraction of the cost. Best option, introducing PowerSuite. It's world's #1 complete online business platform. Everything you need to start, run, scale a profitable online business in just a few simple steps. Step 1, pick up template. Step 2, customize. Step 3, use and profit. It's simple. So guys, these are some PowerSuite pages and some examples, those done inside PowerSuite. So this is the demo video. I can play it.
Hey there, this is Neil Napier and I would like to introduce...
If you want to watch this video, you can also check the link in the description box. I have already uploaded it on my channel. So here's the interesting thing. State of the art tools and features. The tool number 1 is among 9 tools. The tool number 1 is DFY social app. The tool number 2 is DFY simple ads. The tool number 3 is DFY logo. Tool number 4 is surprise product. Tool number 5 is DFY bonus page. Tool number 6, DFY offer pages. Tool number 7, DFY thumbnail. Tool number 8, DFY option. And tool number 9, DFY simple websites. So for today only, free commercial license included if you buy it today. You also get commercial license. Through that you can sell these all services to all freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Guru, and any other platform. Or you can also start your agency. Through that you can sell all these services. So hurry if you want to PowerSuite. You can check the link in description box, and also don't forget to grab my all these bonuses. Those will definitely help you to achieve your goal in your life. So let's see what is interesting here for you. So the bonuses are for a limited time only. Bonus number 1 is making 6 figures with Power Suite. Its value is $497. And the bonus number 2 is Ad Spy Pro. Its value is $297. And bonus number 3 is Product Creation Bootcamp. Its value is $497. Choose your Power Suite license. Try it risk free. It's $39 with commercial license. So you must grab this option, because only $2 can't give you more money or more extra options to grow your business. So you can read all these options, but we will cover we have covered almost information. So let's take a look of what you will get total. It's also covered in 100% money back guarantee. At now, so I was searching, there was a total what will you get, but no issue. So you can read all this. Includes 1000 credits with commercial license. With personal you get only 100 credits. Full 9 products, marketing website suits, traffic generation suits you will get under commercial license, and advertising design suits. And you don't get all these 4 options: social media ads, create Google ads, pre-written content, and pre-written content prompts. You will not get under personal plan. And here DFI customizable marketing assets, simple websites designer for everything else, fully cloud hosted by us, no website required, unlimited traffic, commercial license included, step-by-step tutorials and premium support. Fast action bonuses. Use coupon code POWER, save $2. Bonus number 1, marketing 6 figure. These all bonuses you will get, because I have read earlier. So only in $39. So guys, if you are interested in buying Power Suite, then check the link in the description box and grab this only in $39. And also you can use Power coupon code. Through that you can save $2 more. And don't forget to grab my bonuses. Before that, I would like to share you the cool information is its front end price is $37 with commercial on $47. But you are getting, because it's only during this time. After that you have to pay $47 for commercial license. The upsell number 1 is $97 for personal and $197 for commercial. And upsell number 2 is $37. Upsell number 3 is mail bio. It's on $49 quarterly. And upsell number 4 is meet bio. It's only on $67 one time price. So guys, we have covered almost everything through this video. So don't wait to stop the timer and then you have to pay $47. This software is amazing. I am saying because I know I am also an online marketer. So grab this copy today now, and also share the payment proof on my Instagram. You can also follow my channel and share the payment proof on my channel. Here you will share, I will share all these bonuses. And thanks for watching my video. Please like the video and subscribe my channel and leave a comment if you have any suggestion or any question. Thank you so much guys. Have a good day. We will meet you in another review video. You can subscribe my channel for the upcoming review. Have a good day.